Basic of quadratic we have already done, right? So in basic of quadratic, now we have to proceed for like few good questions of SMO, China, and IUQ, right? So everyone ready with that? Yes, 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 right. So first question I'm starting with, it's from China, 1996 question, right? X1 and X2 are roots of the equation, quadratic, right? The equation x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Find value of x1 cube minus 4, x2 square plus 90. X1 and x2 are the roots of the given equation, right? Find value of x1 cube minus 4 x2 square plus 19. Very simple, straightforward question, right? We know two of the formulas of this. Sum of the root x1 plus x2 is minus b by a, and x1 into x2 is c by a, right? You have to use this, right? Take your time. Take your time. Hi, Pavitra, Riddhima, Zeel, Anushka, Amok. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Right. I said we have two
तो
things
x1 बड़ा है कि x2 बड़ा है?
not given, beta. X1 plus x2 is minus b by a, so minus 1. And x1 into x2 is the product of root is minus 3. These two given conditions are given, right? These two, right? We can conclude from our quadratic. Now we have to find value of x1 cube minus 4 x2 square plus 19. Good, 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 good. Aha, Anushka, very good. Very good, perfect. You have two results, sum of the root and product, right? Simil, very good, perfect. Dia, good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, sir.
Just started, na? This is the first question, na?
Okay, sir.
So, may I start? May I start now? Okay. So, please, Anushka, please explain how you have done, beta.
सर मेरा x1 स्क्वायर आया माइनस x1 प्लस 3
Okay.
मैंने यूज
So
किया
what,
x1
what Anushka is saying, na? See, x1 is the root of this equation. So you can write x1 square plus x1 minus 3 is equal to 0. And from this, you can say x1 square is equal to minus x1 plus 3. Or you can multiply with x1. So you are getting 3x1.
Yes, I did this one.
Very good. Same. Right. So now I guess, right, x1 cube you have, right? And x1 cube you have and x2 cube, right? But we know that x1 square is again, you can put this x1 square as minus x3 means this value is 3 minus x1 plus 3x1. So this is 3 plus 2x1, right? In the simplest form, you are getting this. Right. And similarly, the x2 cube is again the root of this equation. So x2 square cube is not required. So x2 square is again 3 minus x1, sorry, x2, right? So you can put this value, right? Minus 4 times 3 minus x2 minus 12 plus 4x2. Right? Now, what you have done now after this? What you have done after this?
Sir, so
Yes, Simil, Anushka.
sir, what this method is not like what exactly I have done. Like
Okay. So what you have done?
well, for x1 cube and that is the same.
Mhm.
After that, I got 3x1 minus x1 square.
Okay.
Just simplify all of that. Minus x1 square plus 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 7.
Okay.
And then we know x1 plus x2 ka value. So
Then
then
the
we
value.
get minus x1 square minus x1 plus 3. And then we know since x1 is the root of the expression, then the answer should be 0.
Okay. Okay. Not bad. Yes, Anushka.
एंड इक्वेशन थोड़ा सा अलग था लाइक मेरा 4x1 minus 3 plus 4x2 minus 12 plus 19 आया था
Okay.
तो
Okay.
फिर कैंसिल कर करके 0 आ गया था वैल्यू पुट
But the calculation part now. See what I'm saying now. See everyone, right? This is not for the power of right cube or square or something. Now just see this carefully, right? See this carefully because this is the asymmetric numbers are given in this, right? So how to deal with this, right? Asymmetric number means it's not given ki x1 cube minus x2 cube, or it's not given as x2 cube minus x2 square, yeah, x1 square or x2 square in the same parameter, right? So what I'm saying, let's assume this is A. And now I'm assuming B as x2 cube minus 4 x1 square plus 19. Is this okay? Is this okay? Just I have reversed this. Where it was x1, I have written x2. And where this was x2, I have written x1. Right? Raghav? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'll add both this, right, what I'm getting first, right? A plus B is equal to x1 plus x2 common out. And this is x1 square plus x2 square minus x1, x2, right? Minus 4 times x1 plus x2, the whole square minus 2 x1, x2 plus 19 into 2, 30, right? And we know all the formulas for this. X1 plus x2 was, right, already it is given minus 1, right? We can put minus 1. And this x1 square plus x2 square is nothing but x1 plus x2, the whole square minus 3 x1 x2, right? So x1 plus x2, the whole square is 1 only, right? Minus minus 3, 9, this thing, right? 4 times x1 plus x2 is again, and this is minus minus plus 6 plus 38. So this is coming as minus 10 minus 28. Wow, 38. So this A plus B is coming as 0. Right. A plus B is coming as 0. Now, similarly, can I find this A minus B? Right. What is this A minus B in this case? You can see x1 minus x2 is common out. And this will be x1 square plus x2 square plus x1 x2, right? Minus 4 times of x1 minus x2 is common out from this, right? So this become x1 plus x2 minus minus plus, and this, that's it, that's it. So this value is coming as x1 minus x2, x1 plus x2 the whole square, plus minus minus 3 minus 4, right? This coming as 0. Wow. So a plus b is coming as 0 or few numbers, maybe, right? In this case, we are lucky because we are getting a plus b as 0 as well as a minus b as 0. What we have to find? What we have taken as a? What we have taken a? What was a? A was my question only, right? So what we have to find a. So what should I do, right? Add both this. So 2a is equal to 0. So a is equal to 0. So if symmetricity is not given, no worry. We can make this symmetricity, right? And then we can calculate. I hope you all are getting this complete new thing, right? How you can use the asymmetric or like some numbers that's not very good for us, but we can solve these type of questions. Please note down. If anyone want to ask, please ask. Okay. Done. Simil. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Satvik. Okay, beta. Abhinav.
Yes, sir.
Amol.
सर a माइनस b में आपने क्या करा?
A minus B, I have taken x minus x1 minus x2 as common, right? So if I have taken x1 minus x2 as common, right? So rest of the thing is x1 plus x2 the whole square minus 3x1 x2 and the plus 4, right? So 4 minus 4 cancel. This is coming as x1 plus x2 the whole square minus 2x1 x2 to minus like I have taken this one, and x1 plus x2 is minus 1. I put the value of x1 and x2. Okay. Now, second question on this, right? Again, this one is a simple one, but I guess you will understand why I'm giving this. 3a plus 1 is equal to 0. B square plus 3b plus 1 is equal to 0. Right. A and B are real number, and this satisfying as a square plus 3a plus 1 is equal to 0, b square plus 3b plus 1 is equal to 0. Find value of a by b plus b by, right? Value of this. Very good. Right.
सर भेजा
Very good, everyone. Wow, very good. Perfect. So, very good, everyone. I hope you all are right. Going in this direction, you are writing as x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This having roots a and b. So, I can write a plus b is minus 3 and a into b is 1, right? Now, from this, I have to find, so a square plus b square by ab. This I can write a plus b the whole square minus 2ab by ab. A plus B is 9 minus 2 by 1, I guess. Right?
Yes.
Everyone is getting this, right? But why I have given such a simple question, right? Say this carefully. Okay, everyone? Right? Now, I'm just changing the question as A and B are real number and 2 a square minus 3a minus 1 is equal to 0 and b square plus 3b minus 2 is equal to 0, right? These two are given, and it is given a into b is not equal to 1, right? Find value of ab plus a plus 1 by b, right? This was the question, right? So that was given for, like, you know what we are using. May I start?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Okay.
सर एक वैल्यू आएगी या सिर्फ 2-3 आ सकते हैं?
एक ही आनी चाहिए, आई गेस परफेक्ट सिंगल वैल्यू आनी चाहिए. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड,
वो काम
वेरी.
करेगा क्या सर?
हाँ,
वो काम करेगा क्या सर? मैंने आपको भेजा है.
ट्राई करके देखो, ट्राई करके देखो. वेरी गुड. ट्राई दिस आउट. कैमरा ऑन रखो. स्लेज. Can I start? मैं कुछ hint दूं? Right? You need some hint? See, in this equation, right, both the quadratic are not same if we are thinking about the quadratic, right? Right? If we are thinking about the quadratic, both the quadratic are not same. But if I'll divide the second equation by b square and with a minus sign, so what we are getting, 2 by b square minus 3 by b minus 1
minus
is
b.
equal to 0, right? Means I can say this, and 2a square minus 3a minus 1 is equal to 0. Can I say for these two, 2x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? This having two roots, right?
A and 1 by b.
A, very good, sir. A and 1 by b. Now, sum of the root, right? Minus b by a, and product of the root is c by a. Try this, right? And now see what you have to find.
सर पहली क्वेश्चन कैसे आई 2/b² वाली?
Dividing the second equation by minus b square. The second equation, b square plus 3b minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, this equation, I'm dividing this equation by b square with minus sign, right? So, this is coming as 2 by b square minus 3 by b minus 1 is equal to 0. Now,
सर भेजा.
very good.
सर आ गए तब वो b स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करना समझ गया था.
Only for this, what you have to find, only you have to find what, right? I'll divide this in a plus 1 by b plus a into 1 by b means sum of the root plus product of the root means addition of these two will be 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 1. Okay.
सर क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि आपने सेकेंड इक्वेशन के साथ क्या किया था b² + 3b - 2?
See, if you see these two equations now, okay, these
Yes, sir.
two are not symmetric, not same.
हाँ, right.
But if you see this closely now, the second one, right?
Yes.
So second equation is not symmetric, but if I'll first multiplying with minus sign, if I'll multiply this with minus sign, I'm getting 2 minus 3b minus b square is equal to 0.
Right. Yes, sir.
Coefficient 2 matching up, minus 3 matching up, minus 1 matching up. But one problem is there, right?
Okay.
The quadratic is in the reverse way, right? So I'm dividing this by b square.
b². Okay,
Right.
sir.
So this is 2 by b square minus 3 by b minus 1 is equal to 0. Means, right, if I'll write down the equation, quadratic equation, so surely I can say this having two roots, right? Two values are satisfying. One is a and second is 1 by b. So two roots are a and 1 by b. So sum of the root is minus b by a and product is c by a. Right now. Now rest of this thing to you know. Right. So in the quadratic, not necessary ki always in the competitive examination, especially in the competitive examination, they will not give you the direct question on this, right? Just you have to watch carefully ki, okay, I can use something, right? Some data are there that we have to inculcate in this, right? Such as, right? Next one, A, B, C are the length of three sides of triangle ABC, where A greater than B greater than C, where A, B, C are the length of the sides, right? Such that 2B is equal to A plus C, right? Obviously, all are positive quantity, right? If B is positive integer, right? This is given, right? If a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 84, find obviously b, right? This b you have to find.
बाकी इंटीजर्स हैं.
B is an integer. बात करें.
बहुत छोटे हैं.
Okay. It's a beautiful, right? Beautiful question. It was from like the question is from China Olympiad. So simple question, but effective one. But best part is this integer. B is an integer. Best part is I have asked this question right when I'm teaching you what? Quadratic, right? Very good, Raga. Some hit and trial or right you are getting?
सर थोड़ा क्वाड्रेटिक से कर रहा था, फिर उसके बाद फिर मैंने कर लिया था. वैसे हिट एंड ट्रायल बेस में था, पर मोस्टली क्वाड्रेटिक ही था।
Very good, very good. So everyone, right, go for this. Zeal,
Yes, sir.
see this carefully. Simple one.
Yes, sir.
Right? It could be given as A, B, C or in AP, nahi? Arithmetic progression. Right? B is the middle term. Should I start now? मैं start करूं? Okay, everyone. No. Last 2 minutes. Okay. Raghav, yes, go ahead, beta. Explain.
सर मैंने थोड़ा AP से करा था, मतलब तो जैसे A विल बी इक्वल टू B प्लस आर एंड C विल बी इक्वल टू B माइनस आर।
Okay.
तो सर उसको मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट करा था और मैंने आया 3B² प्लस 2R² इज इक्वल टू 84।
Okay.
सर उससे ही मैंने फिर आगे जाकर मैंने ले लिया था कि क्योंकि B² क्योंकि B इज़ एन इंटीजर, तो B² शुड बी ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0, तो 84 माइनस 2R² अपॉन 3 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0।
Okay. Okay.
सर
Okay.
और फिर मैंने
Love
आगे तो
calculation
D
also.
मस्ट बी।
Okay.
हाँ सर।
Okay, you have calculated the value, like how this is going. No, not a big deal, right? See this carefully. Now, see B is an integer and this A plus C, value of A plus C is given as 2B. And A square plus C square is given. So can I write this as, right, what is the value of AC, right? So AC is 4AC. We know the formula is A plus C the whole square minus A minus C the whole square, right? Or I can write this as, right, because A square plus C square is given, right? We can create formula as A plus C the whole square minus A square plus C square is nothing but 2AC. Can I see this? Right, can I write this? Right. Is this okay? So AC is nothing but 1 by 2. What is the value of A plus C? A plus C is 2B minus. What is the value of A square plus C square? 84 minus B square. So AC is 1 by 2, 4B square minus 84 plus B square, right? Something like this. So this is coming as 1 by 2, 5B square minus 84. This is A into C. And A plus C is given as what? 2B, right? These two results we have, right? Now, please see this carefully. Right, so we have two results, right? One is product of A and C, and second is sum of A and C. So what we can say from this?
Sir, A plus C we can by 2 we can substitute in the second equation, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 84.
Okay, okay. Or can I say this? If A and C are real number, right? So x square minus 2bx, right? Plus 5b square minus 84 by 2 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation whose roots are A and C. Can I say this? Can I say this? Right? If we have A into C and we have A plus C, so both the results are there, right? So the sum of the root and product of root both are given. So can I say this like this is the quadratic equation whose roots are A and C, right? And if this is the quadratic equation and the roots of the equation must be real, right? So discriminant of this must be minus 4ac greater than only greater than 0 na? Because distinct roots are there, right? A is not equal to C and B is not equal to AC, right? So this is 4b square minus 2 10b square, right? Plus 168 greater than 0, right? So this is 6b square less than 168. Obviously, b square less than 168 by 6. Right, so b square less than 28. So obviously b is equal to 5, something like this. Right? Because b is an integer, so I can write this as b is equal to 5, the integer. Okay.
सर स्टार्टिंग इक्वेशन ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 84 में हम ए प्लस सी द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2ac लिख सकते हैं और बी स्क्वायर को ए प्लस सी बाई 2 द होल स्क्वायर फिर हम सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे फिर सेम आंसर आएगा ना.
Or what you can do, like it's we can see this is an AP. So you can take this as A is equal to B minus D, B is B only, and C is B plus D. Then substitute in the third equation. So you will get an equation in D. Directly you will get the equation in D. What I'm saying is C. The equation, this one is given, right? This one is. Right? A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 84. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 84. And 2B is equal to A plus C. So I can say the three terms are B minus D, B plus D, and D must be greater than 0, right? And this is A, this is B, and this is C. So you can put the value in this, right? This is B minus D the whole square plus B square plus B plus D the whole square is equal to 84. So this is 3B square, 2AD cancel out, right? Plus 2D square is equal to 84, right? So 2D square is equal to 84 minus 3B square. That must be greater than 0. So 84 3B square. Something like this. Right? So B square less than 26. Directly you are getting this. Right? Direct answer is coming. So you can note down both the solution, right? If you have to do with the quadratic, then it's okay. Or with the sequence and series, this would be good. Right. What do you say? First one or second one? Which solution?
सर फर्स्ट वाला बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है सेकंड वाला फास्टर है.
Ah, true. True. Right? Okay, everyone. Right? Now, next I'm going And today, right, 4 o'clock, I'll give you the paper of quadratic only, right? 10 beautiful question based on all we have studied till date, right? And like, I'm pretty much sure you are able to do all the questions, right? So, and you have to submit today only, na? X square plus ax plus 1 is equal to 0. This is very, 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 I don't know, important or not important, but like, this is the question you can see everywhere, right? Har exam mein, each and every exam you'll see this question, right? X square plus ax plus 1 is equal to 0. This having roots alpha and beta, right? And x square plus bx plus 1 is equal to 0. This having roots gamma and delta, right? First equation having roots alpha and beta. Second equation having roots gamma and delta, right? Both the equations are given, right? Find value of, right? This is like in ITG, you'll see this question. JMO, you can see this question. IUPM, you can see this question. SMO, you can see this question. I'm giving from USSR, right? It was in the examination of USSR, right? So alpha minus gamma, beta minus gamma, alpha plus delta, and beta plus delta. Find value of this. Right, straightforward but beautiful question. Take your time, take your time. 4 minutes you have. So let's start now.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Just go with the flow, right? Go with the flow. stick with the basic and go with the flow. Very good. Very good, Raghav. Very good. See, see. See, I said go with the flow means, right, first I can see this, right, the equation, what we have few things, right. First is alpha plus beta is minus a, second is alpha beta is 1, right. From this gamma plus delta is minus b, gamma into delta is 1, right. We have this much information, right. If I'll multiply this alpha beta minus gamma times alpha plus gamma square, and secondly, alpha beta delta time alpha plus beta plus delta square, right? So alpha into beta was given as 1, right? Alpha plus beta was minus a plus gamma square, gamma times, and this is 1 minus b delta plus delta square, right? Is this okay? Can you see one hidden information is there? What is that? Gamma and delta are the roots of this equation. What's the meaning of this? Meaning of this is gamma and delta must satisfy this equation. Means gamma square plus b gamma plus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, delta square plus b delta plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So gamma square plus 1, right? Gamma square plus 1 is nothing but b gamma with minus sign, and delta square plus 1, right? Delta square plus 1 is nothing but, this was, this was it, right? Right, this is minus b delta minus 8, right? I can take out gamma and delta common out, right? Gamma into delta a minus b into with minus sign b plus a. And what was the value of gamma into delta? From this, gamma delta was 1, right? So minus 1 into a minus b into a plus b, right? This is b square minus a square. This could be, right? Very simple, straightforward, but, right? How you have to collect all the information, right? Okay. Okay, everyone. Right now, right? So in different quadratic, when we have to solve, right? So like we have to use the beta theorem or whatever it is given, right? And if it is given in the form of like alpha is the root of x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Find value of 2 into alpha to the power 5 minus 5 alpha to the power 4 plus 2 alpha cube minus 8 alpha square upon alpha square plus 1. You all have 4-minute time for this question. Your time starts now. Amog, Simil,
Sir, I am solving.
okay, Abhinav, Aryan, Usam, Ridhima. This is a good one, right? A very simple question, but the calculation part is there only, right? Done, Raghav. Satvik, done.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Ridhima, done.
Sir, solving.
Just the calculation, right? Control your nerves and go for the calculation. We all can do, right? Very simple. Very good.
1 minute.
Very good, Raghav. Good calculation.
Sir, भेजा.
Just a minute. कैलकुलेशन कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है. Just you have to check calculation. Let's start. Start करूं. See, alpha is the root, so I can say alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, I have to find value of what? 2 alpha to the power 5 minus 5 alpha to the power 4 plus 2 alpha cube minus 8 alpha square. This I'll divide with alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 1. So this is 2 alpha cube. So this will be 2 alpha to the power 5 minus 6 alpha to the power 4 plus 2 alpha cube. So what I'm getting? Minus plus minus cancel out. Alpha to the power 4 cancel out. Minus 8 alpha square, right? So obviously plus again alpha square. So alpha to the power 4 minus 3 alpha cube plus alpha square. I have to subtract minus plus minus. This is 3 alpha cube minus 9 alpha square. Wow, wow.
सर
Then
अब डिवीजन एल्गोरिदम लगा लेंगे.
हाँ
सर अब
हाँ
डिवीजन एल्गोरिदम लगा लेंगे तो अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस 3 अल्फा प्लस 1 0 हो जाएगा. वो टर्म हट जाएगा, बस रिमाइंडर रहेगा.
only the remainder, I guess 3 alpha is coming na with minus sign. Minus plus minus. So this is minus 3 alpha. Right. So what I'm getting, alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 1 into 2 alpha cube plus alpha square plus 3 alpha minus 3 alpha upon alpha square plus 1. Wow. Right. But we know that this was the quadratic. What one? Which one? Which one? The
अल्फा स्क्वायर माइनस 3 अल्फा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0.
what is the value of this? So this is 0. So 0 into, right, this value is 0, right? So 0 into this complete cubic term will be 0 only. So what I'm getting? Minus 3 alpha by alpha square plus 1. And, right, we have one result, right? What is that? Alpha square plus 1 is 3 alpha. So this is minus 3 alpha upon 3 alpha, cancelling out, getting minus 1. Right. Minus 3 alpha upon alpha square plus 1. And since alpha square minus 3 alpha plus 1 is equal to 0, means alpha square plus 1 is nothing but what? 3 alpha, right?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Perfect, right? I don't know. We can say this is simple, this is tough, but right. Okay. So algebra, right? All the cubics and this, right? Now, I'm going with one more topic on this, right? Geometry, right? See this question carefully, right? In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC and O is on segment AD, right? The extension of BO and C intersect AC and BD, AC and AB now. AC and AB at points E and F respectively, right? Prove that EF parallel to, right? Draw the diagram. More than 60% is construction only, right? So every time you have to draw the diagram neat and clear, right? Take your time. The simple one, go with the diagram. A, B, C, D is the midpoint, right? We have to do the planning, right? अब ये planning कैसे होता है ना, उसको समझो पहले, right? D is the midpoint, right? Let there is a midpoint D. O is point here, it is given. A, B, C. Right? E and F. Okay. These two lengths are equal. Right? What I have to prove? Right? We have to prove EF is parallel to BC. Right? अब EF parallel, देखो, the planning is very important, right? When we have to prove EF is parallel to this line is parallel to BC, means what I have to prove, what I can prove. Right?
AFE and ABC are similar.
Means, right, very good. So I have to prove this is similar to the triangle, this one. If I'm able to prove this, the similarity of this, then this is done, right? And how we can prove the similarity? How we can prove the similarity? What is the, like, how we can go for the similarity, right? Similarity means, right, for any two triangle, right, ABC and PQR, right? Either we can go with the angles or we can go with the side, the ratio of the sides, means AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, or some other one, right? BC by QR, right? We have this type of results, right? So I have to go for this, like anyhow, I have to prove for this, right? See, and we have already studied this. If one point of concurrency is there, the point O, right? One point of concurrency is there. So, like this thing is the Sevas, right? What does Sevas say? Right? BD upon DC is equal to CE upon AE into AF upon FB is equal to 1. But we know that BD and DC are same, right? Can I say this? Can I say this? AE by EC is equal to AF by FB, right? And I can add one both side, right? So this is AC by EC, right? Or I can take the reverse and add both sides, right? So this is AE by AC is equal to AF by A, right? What is the meaning of this? If I'm getting this, what is the meaning of this? AE by AC is equal to AF by AB, right?
Sir,
What
BPT.
means both the triangle AFE and right ABC both are similar, right? And similar means right, this angle and this angle must be same as well as this angle must be this angle. Means EF is parallel to BC. So direct question is not there, but we have to apply the concept on this, right? Okay, everyone, are you getting this? Satwik, Simil, Amol, Raghav, Nusra,
Yes, sir.
Aryan, Raj, Prasam, Abhinav,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Okay, right? The best one, right? But obviously, we have to practice a lot, right? For these type of question, right? One is this one, and the second question, right? I'm giving you on this is in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC and D and E are on segment AB and AC such that BD is equal to CD connect DE and intersect BCF. Prove that DF is equals to F. So first thing, you have to draw a beautiful diagram, right? Take your time. Isosceles triangle is given.
Sir, BD is equal to CE है ना वो?
BD is equal to C.
क्योंकि वहाँ CD लिखा है तो
BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CE होना चाहिए शायद।
हाँ सर, क्योंकि फिर D will coincide with A.
हाँ, वो शायद वो मिसप्रिंट है बुक में, राइट। मेरे को CD, हाँ तभी तो ट्रायंगल बनेंगे। BD इज इक्वल टू CE होना चाहिए। ओके, कई मेथड्स हो सकते हैं, लाइक वी कैन सॉल्व बाय लाइक 4 मेथड, राइट। Try to get a parallel line or try to get the Sevas or Mendel's, right? So either you can start with the parallel line, some parallel line you have to create, then go for this, or you can use some ratio formulas, right? Take your time. Good, very good, very good. Yes, yes, you can use. Very good. So can I go the like एक पहले डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लूं with the diagram?
सर डायग्राम ही चीज है क्वेश्चन में।
हाँ, the ABC isosceles. So I have to draw this carefully, right? ABC isosceles, right? A, B, and C, right? D and E are the point on the segment, right? And we have to extend this, right? So I want to extend this, right? Something like this. D, F, and E, right? What is given? AB is equal to AC, okay? Then, and this PD is equal to C. थोड़ा सा ये चला गया नहीं? Right? BD is equal to CE, right? And intersect, then prove DF is equal to EF. Okay. Now, so what like again, what we have to do? DF, right? DF and EF. These two are equal, right? Already this is given BDNs, right? If we can do something on this, right, that will work. So let's just start. Let's just start, everyone, right? So what is your planning? What you want to do, right? Satwik, what you are thinking? From where you want to start this? Anything on mind? Right. No. See, see, right?
Sir,
So, so first you have to understand if a triangle is given, right? This type of triangle is given, right? And I'm taking a line. Let this is A, B, C. Some D is there, right? From D, I'm drawing a line that transversal intersected E and F, right? So this is called Mann laws, right? How this will work, right? In the triangle ABC, see this carefully, everyone, right? This is very, 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 very important, right? It will take some time. कुछ time लगेगा इसको धीरे 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 अंदर जाता है ये, right? So it's a usual process. ना first time में maybe you'll not get the complete picture कि क्या हो रहा है, right? सो फ्रॉम डी सेवाज जो था इंटरनल पॉइंट के लिए होते, मेनलॉज जो होता वो एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट के लिए होते, राइट? एंड यू हैव टू गो इन द साइक्लिक ऑर्डर विद दिस ट्रायंगल। कैसे दिखाता हूं, राइट? दिस फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू लेंथ बी डी या डीबी, राइट? देन यू आर गोइंग टू द वर्टेक्स सी, so this is CD, right? Then you can start with this is CE upon AE into, right, cyclicity is still going on, right? Then the length AE, then the length B. The product is 1. Is this okay? Right? You
सर सी ई कैसे आया?
ये है क्या? F है ये?
हाँ सर वो एफ। हाँ
तो F है ना? तो ध्यान से देखो इसमें ना, कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपने राइट लिखा है या नहीं, राइट? आपने राइट लिखा है या नहीं ये ऐसे पता चलेगा किसी भी एक, लाइक हमने ABC जो हमारे पास ट्रायंगल था, तो देखो ये सी एक है, ये बी और ये राइट? जितनी बार ऊपर मेरे को बी आया है उतने नीचे बी आया है, जितने सी नीचे आया उतने ए, एंड राइट। तो आप देखोगे तो पूरा साइक्लिसिटी में ये वर्क कर जा रहा है, राइट? तो हमेशा कुछ इसी तरह के अरेंजमेंट आपके पास, राइट? ये दोनों ही मेरे पास यहाँ ये एफ है ना, दोनों, राइट? तो जितने बार जो भी क्वांटिटी है ना वही ऊपर नीचे आती, राइट? वही दिखेगा, राइट? क्या ये क्लियर है सभी को?
Yes, sir.
राइट? नाउ कैन यू अप्लाई दिस?
Yes, we can apply this for this question.
So
It get cancelled out.
now you would, like what we have to find, right? We have to find the ratio of this, right? So I'll go with this triangle.
yes, sir, and
Yes, sir.
transversal.
So I'll go with this triangle. So can you see anything on this, right? Take your time, everyone. Take your time. Take your time. Go with the transversal. And cyclicity, you can go with a clockwise or anti-clockwise, right? जो भी कंफर्टेबल हो रहा हो वैसे आप चले जाओ ना, नॉट नेसेसरी कि यही रूल है ऐसे ही जाना, राइट?
भेजा sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। Exactly, you'll get the solution, right? So from where you want to start, right? Tell me from where you want to start. From B or from, right? Which one? From B. B is the external point, right? So this is PA, right? And this is VD. VD upon B, right? Into, right? If you want to start with D, BA, right? Then AC upon PE, then EF upon FD is equal to, right? Like few of the things are given, like BA and AC both are equal, so both will cancel out, right? I guess BD and CE, right, cancel out. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
DF is equals to EF.
EF is equals to FD, right? I guess this you have to say. One liner, one liner, right? But obviously, what you have to apply, that you have to see exactly how this will work and where have to apply this. Is this okay, everyone? Is this okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? So, lot many questions of men laws and this now, right? You have to apply exactly how this will work and how you can apply the concept of this, right? So one more question I'm giving you on this only, men laws or this thing. Just a minute. Anyone want to ask? Please see this carefully. Anyone want to ask? Please go ahead, ask. See this carefully. Please. In Sevas and man laws, right? Maximum question are straightforward. And ये if you see in IOQM में या RMO, मतलब मैं RMO भी include कर रहा हूँ, right? You'll get the direct question of this, right? एकदम डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं, बस केवल अप्लाई करने को अपने को आना चाहिए, राइट? इफ यू नो हाउ टू अप्लाई ना, वो डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पे ही वो फ्रेमिंग होती है, राइट? जस्ट मिनट, राइट? इस क्वेश्चन दिमाग में है, वो चाह रहा हूँ एक बार आपको दूं। राइट, इसमें दो तरह से क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। एक तो पॉसिबली जब हम लोग एरिया से हम लोग काम करते हैं, एंड दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी होती है व्हेन वी हैव टू वर्क फॉर, हम लोग को डायरेक्ट हमारे पास मेथड्स होते हैं जिस पर हम काम करते हैं, राइट? तो दोनों तरीके हैं, राइट? जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट होगी वी हैव टू वर्क अकॉर्डिंगली, राइट? This one Sevas, I'm giving you the direct question on this. A, B, C, D, E, F, right? BD by DC, 3:5. CE by AC is 2:5. Find AF by FB. ध्यान से देखना ना, थोड़ा सा केवल चेंज है जो और आपको गलत करवाते हैं। हाँ, तो ध्यान से। वेरी गुड। Very good, everyone. Very good. Very good. The direct one. Right? Okay. See, ये CE upon AC is given as 2:5. So this is 2:3. This is 3:5. Right? So I can rewrite this as, right, 3 by 5 into 2 by 3 into AF by FB is equal to, right, 5 by 2. Everyone is getting this. Okay. One more, one last, one, right? ABC triangle, right? A, B, C. D and E are the interior points. Are the interior points such that AD by DB is equal to 1:3. DE by EB is equals to 1:3, right? And let this point is F. Now you have to find CF upon FT. CF upon FT. Just you have to see which triangle you have to take and how cyclicity, right? How you have to circle this, right? Just the exterior point is given, the inside triangle is given, when laws will work, right? How this is going, right? You can go for this. Let's start.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. We know.
यस सर डू
सर ए एल्टीट्यूड नहीं है ना?
AE
एल्टीट्यूड नहीं है ना?
क्या नहीं है बेटा?
एल्टीट्यूड तो
तो
नहीं
लेकिन डीई का रिलेशन कैसे निकालेंगे?
हाँ,
डीई का रिलेशन कैसे निकालेंगे?
सर वो DE बाई EB है या CE बाई EB?
सीई होना चाहिए।
ई होना।
हाँ, सीई होना चाहिए वो।
हाँ, ओके सर।
सीई बाई ईबी है अभिनव।
Yes, sir.
ई बाई ईबी, हाँ। बी बाई ईसी। Very good, Satwik. So, should I start? Which triangle? Which triangle we have to take?
DBC.
Very good. This is the triangle, right? And which is the exterior point on this?
A.
A, right? So this, first start with this, right? Then I'll go for this. Then circle, 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 circle. The complete thing, right? So AD upon BD into BE upon EC into CF upon FD is equal to 1, right? AD upon BD is 1 by 3 directly given.
AD अपॉन AB होगा
ए
ना?
बी, हाँ
AB of them, right?
ओके
It's
सर।
AD upon AB. AB is what? 4, na?
1/4 हो जाएगा।
Right?
यस
And BE, what is BE? Is 3. Is to CE 1 into CF upon FD. I guess something like this,
यस सर।
right? 4 by 3, I guess, na?
यस सर, 4/3।
4 by 3. बट ये जो दोनों मैंने किया ना, एक मैंने डायरेक्ट मैंने दोनों दिया, इसलिए मेरे को दिक्कत गई कि मैं दोनों को देना चाह रहा था डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पर, राइट? नेक्स्ट मैं जो आपको बताऊंगा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर पे हम लोग जब काम करेंगे, उसमें एक्सटीरियर के लिए मैं दोनों ही पॉइंट रखूंगा, राइट? एक ट्रायंगल ये बना हुआ है और इसी को एक्सटेंड मैं करूंगा, राइट? एंड उस एक्सटेंशन से मैं काम करना चाहूंगा कि क्या हो रहा है, राइट? क्या पॉसिबिलिटी, राइट? ये नेक्स्ट वाले लेक्चर में हमारे पास आएगा जब एक्सटेंशन दोनों पॉइंट के साथ में हो रहा हो, तब हम कैसे उसको वर्क करते हैं, राइट? आई होप ये दोनों तो क्लियर होगा, सिवाज एंड मैथ्स, ओके ना? तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग इसके आगे करते हैं। ओके एवरीवन, चलो एंजॉय करो आज संडे ना, बाय बाय, राइट?
सर आप ये जो आपने लेक्चर में नोट्स है वो एक बार भेजोगे, बीच में डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया